In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to morph clones in Cinema 4D with the inheritance effector, fields, and dynamics. We'll start by setting up two cloners. One represents your starting arrangement, and the other represents the final shape you want to reach. In the first cloner, place the object you want to clone and arrange it into your initial layout. This could be a grid array, a radial array, or clones distributed on the surface of a mesh. In the second cloner, use the same cloned object and arrange it into your end shape. Keeping both cloners consistent, same object, similar clone count, and predictable ordering will give you the cleanest morph. You can hide the end cloner from rendering for now, since it's just acting as the target. With those in place, select the first cloner and add an inheritance effector. In the effector settings, enable the morph motion option, then drag your end cloner into the morph motion object field. This tells the first cloner where its clones should travel during the morph. Set the effector strength to 0 to start at the original layout and increase it toward 1 to complete the transition. If clones aren't lining up as expected, check the cloner's distribution and sorting mode so each clone has a clear 1-to-1 path. To animate the transition smoothly, use a linear field on the inheritance effector. Create a linear field, make sure it's listed under the Effectors Fields tab, and position it so the field sweeps across your clones. As the field moves, it will gradually increase the effector's influence, producing a controllable, directional morph. You can animate the field's position or its falloff for softer, more organic motion. For added variety, apply a random effector to the first cloner. Start with subtle position or scale variance and, if needed, blend it using fields so the randomness comes in after or during the morph. This helps avoid a mechanical look while keeping the overall shape readable. To introduce dynamics, add a rigid body tag to your cloner objects. In the tag, set it to affect individual elements so each clone behaves as its own rigid piece. Then add a collider body tag to any object your clones should interact with, like a floor or walls. Press play to simulate. The morph can drive your clones into position, and the dynamics will react naturally when they collide with the environment. If performance dips, lower clone counts or reduce collision complexity until you're happy with playback. That's it. With two cloners, an inheritance effector in morph motion, a linear field for timing, a random effector for variation, and basic dynamics tags, you can create compelling, controllable clone morphs in Cinema 4D.